Assalamualaikum and hello students. I am Madam Nurfazliana. I will assist you in this learning unit. As mentioned in the first video, this chapter consists of 3 subtopics. So, in this video, I will explain on the first subtopic of this learning unit, which is real numbers. Real numbers can be divided into two, which are rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, so we start with rational numbers. So the first one, natural numbers. So it is used for counting things or objects. So it is denoted by capital N. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And then the second one, whole numbers. So it is natural numbers together with 0. So natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So whole numbers also include 0. And then it is denoted by capital W. Next, integers. So the negative and positive of natural numbers together with 0. So negative natural numbers. So for example, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. And then positive natural numbers, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And then include 0. So this we call as integers. So it is denoted by capital Z. Okay, for irrational numbers, it is non-integer fraction. Okay, so as you can see in this diagram, so the natural numbers is a subset of whole numbers, and then whole numbers is a subset of integers, and then integers is a subset of rational numbers. And then both rational and irrational numbers is a subset, are the subset of real numbers. Okay. Next, subclasses of the integers. So we have prime numbers, so which is a whole number that is only divisible by itself or 1. Okay, so only divisible by itself or 1. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and so on. And then second one, odd numbers. The numbers of the form of 2n plus 1, where n is element of whole numbers. So for example, 1, 3, 5, 7. So this is example of odd numbers. And then we have even numbers. So numbers of the form of 2n, 2 times n, where n is elements of whole numbers. So for example, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Okay. Next, so this is the difference between rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, first, rational numbers. Any numbers that can be written in the form of P divided by Q, where P and Q are integers, with Q not equal to 0. So example, 1 over 2, negative 2 over 3, 6, 1 over 1509. So 6 is equal to 12 over 2, right? So it is rational numbers. So decimal representation of rational numbers are repeating or terminating. So we have two. For example, 5 over 11 is equal to 0.4545454545 and so on. So this we call repeating. And then another one, 6 over 25, so equal to 0.24. So this we call terminating. Okay. So we have two decimal representation, which is repeating and terminating. Okay. So repeating means that the decimal is repeating many times. For terminating, it is exactly this decimal, so 0.24 only. Okay. Okay, look at irrational numbers. So numbers cannot be written in the form or as fraction, and their decimal representation neither repeating nor terminating. So example, pi, exponent, Z5, Z2. Okay, so it is neither repeating nor terminating. Okay,